हेलो फ्रेंड्स, स्वागत है आपका हमारे इस यूट्यूब चैनल पे। इन दिस वीडियो वी विल बी लर्निंग टू ऐड टू नंबर्स इन पाइथन लैंग्वेज. So let's start the coding. So in order to add two numbers, first of all we have to declare the variables. Variables are basically the memory locations or the containers for storing the values in a program. So let us make our sum program. Here we will be adding two numbers and then we have to display the result. So first of all we are declaring our first variable. So we are making it a. A is equal to int function we are using here, and inside that we are passing the input function. And now here we are giving our message that enter first number. Okay, this is just for a decoration purpose. So what I have written here, a is equal to int. Inside int we are writing input, then we are writing enter first number. So this is a message or a value that will be shown on the screen before entering a first number. With the help of input function we can take the inputs from the keyboard, and this always accept the inputs in the form of string. So in order to convert our number, whether we are entering a number or a character or words, all these are basically accepted by the input function in the string format. Even if we'll be entering number, then also it will be accepted in the input format, in the string format. So for that, after entering the number we are just converting in the integer. In order to convert in integer we are using the int function. It basically converts some values into integer. If it will be in the number form, then we can convert in the integer form. So here we are entering the first number, and after that we are using converting into the int integer type. Then again we have to enter the second number. So just I am making it again, b is equal to int. Then we are again using the input function. Then we are giving just the message, that is enter second number. Okay, so now we have made the program for accepting the two numbers. Now what we have to do, we have to do the main thing, that is, in order to add these two numbers we have to create one another variable, and inside that variable we will be storing the sum of these two variables. So I'm making a variable, that is sum. So sum is equal to a plus b. So it will store the sum of a plus b inside a container or a memory location named sum. So inside that sum variable, the value of the sum of this a and b will be stored. Now after that, after storing in the sum, we have to display it on the monitor. So for displaying, we have print function. So let us use this print function. And one more things I want to tell you friends, that in order to identify a function, uh, after the name of the function there will be a parenthesis. It states that it is a function. So here print is a function, like input is also a function, int is also a function. So print function is used to display the messages or some values on the standard output device, that is our monitor. So here we are just displaying our sums. For that, I'm just first of all giving the sum, that is basically a message. Sum is equal to, and after that we have to put a comma. Then after that, where we have stored the sum, we have stored the sum in the sum variable. So now here our program is completed. It will be accepting two input values, then after that it will add, and then finally it will display the result on the standard output device. So let's check the code, that whether it's yielding a correct result or not. So just hit the run button and let's see the program. So it's just displaying enter first number. It is basically our message. Suppose I'm entering 12. Again it's saying enter second number. Suppose I'm entering 50. Now I'm hitting the enter button. You can see that the sum is 62. After adding 12 and 50, the answer is 62. So our program has added these, and it is has displayed the sum, that is 62. And here our program is finished. I hope that you might have enjoyed this video and learned a lot of things about Python programmings, writing your first program of adding two numbers using Python. And if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel Programming Questions. And here you'll be